Welcome to the world of blockchain technology. Have you ever wondered how digital transactions are verified and recorded? Blockchain technology is the answer. A blockchain is a decentralized, digital ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. Each block in the chain contains a number of transactions, and once a block is added to the chain, it cannot be altered. This means that the information stored on a blockchain is permanent and tamper-proof. One of the key features of blockchain technology is its decentralization. Instead of relying on a single, centralized authority to manage and validate transactions, a blockchain network is maintained by a network of users. This means that there is no single point of failure and the network is more secure and resistant to tampering. Blockchain technology is being used in a wide range of industries, from finance and healthcare to supply chain management and voting systems. And the potential for future developments is limitless. So, that's a quick overview of blockchain technology. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos on this exciting and rapidly evolving technology.